If you're a medical student using Anki, this video is going to save you hours every week. I'm going to show you Mindgrip, an AI tool that takes your lecture notes and turns them into Anki Flashcards automatically, then sends them directly to Anki with one click. I'll walk you through everything from installation to your first deck. Part 1. Installation. Before we start, you need two things installed. First, download Anki from ankiweb.net if you haven't already. Second, inside Anki, go to Tools, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and install Anki Connect. The code is 20554922159. This is what allows Mindgrip to communicate with Anki on your computer. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Mindgrip Bridge, or find the link in the description. Install the extension. This is the bridge between the Mindgrip web app and Anki on your desktop. Make sure Anki is open whenever you want to sync cards. That's it for setup. Part 2. Create your first deck. Once you're in, click Create New Deck. You have 4 ways to add content. Paste text directly, upload a PDF, paste a website link, or use a YouTube video URL. I'm going to paste in some lecture notes on diverticulitis. Just copy your notes from anywhere. Word, Notion, your PDF, and paste them here. Now I choose my card types. Mindgrip supports 6 different formats. Basic question and answer is the classic front and back format. Closed deletion creates fill-in-the-blank cards, which is perfect for definitions and mechanisms. Diagnosis cards present a patient scenario and ask for the diagnosis. Great for clinical reasoning. Situation-based cards present a clinical scenario and ask what you would do. Comparison cards compare 2 drugs or diseases side by side. And image occlusion, which I'll show you in a moment, lets you draw masks over diagrams. I'll select basic and close. The AI will generate a mix of both types. Down here I can give my deck a name or click suggest name and the AI generates one based on my content. I'll choose 10 cards and go with concise style for short, punchy facts. In about 10 seconds, the AI reads my content and creates a complete deck. Now, I'm in the review screen. I can flip through every card before saving. Tap a card to see the answer. I can hit keep to save a card or remove to skip it. Use the arrows to navigate. One feature I'm really proud of is duplicate detection. Before saving, Mindgrip scans all your existing decks for cards that are too similar. It found one exact duplicate from a previous deck and one card that is 92% similar. I can review and remove them, or save anyway. I'll save this as a new deck in Mindgrip. Now the best part. I can choose an existing Anki deck or create a new one. Click Send to Anki. Make sure Anki is open on your computer with the Anki Connect add-on installed and the Mindgrip Bridge extension running in Chrome. All cards are now in Anki, formatted correctly, and ready for spaced repetition. Now, let me show you image occlusion. This is my favorite feature for anatomy. Go back to Create New Deck and select the Anatomy/Image Occlusion card type. Upload any anatomical diagram, meta illustrations, histology slides, cross-sections, x-rays, anything. Click Identify Structures with AI. Mindgrip analyzes the image and suggests labels for every structure it can identify. Now I draw masks manually over each structure by clicking and dragging. I can choose one at a time mode, where each card hides one structure, or all except one mode, where everything is hidden and you reveal one at a time. Click Generate, and these cards go directly to Anki's Image Occlusion Enhanced format. Quiz mode. Once you have decks saved in Mindgrip, you can also study directly in the app using quiz mode. Choose Quick Quiz for a random mix from all your decks, weakest cards to focus on what you struggle with most, or Targeted Study to pick a specific deck. Rate each card easy, good, hard, or again. Mindgrip tracks your performance over time. The library lets you share your decks with other students and download decks from the community. If you've made a great pharmacology deck, Share it, and other students can add it to their collection with one click. Friends lets you connect with other Mindgrip users, see their shared decks and compare stats. The leaderboard shows a global ranking based on your activity, decks created, quizzes completed, and streaks. You can also switch to a friends leaderboard to compete with people you know. Achievements. Mindgrip has over 25 achievements across 6 tiers: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and legendary. You earn achievements for things like creating your first deck, maintaining a study streak, completing perfect quizzes, sharing decks with the community, and more. It's a small thing, but seeing progress tracked keeps the habit going. If you have Anki connected, Mindgrip also shows you insights from your Anki collection directly in the app. Go to Stats to see how many cards are due today, your overall maturity percentage, how well you know your cards, and which decks need the most attention. It pulls this data live from Anki, so you always have an up-to-date picture of where you stand. Before we finish, let me show you the settings. You can set your username, choose an avatar icon from over 60 options, pick an avatar color, and select a theme. Mindgrip has 8 themes: light, dark, sepia, forest, ocean, midnight, and rose. Under privacy, you can choose whether your username appears on the global leaderboard or stay anonymous as a student number. If you're on the pro plan and want to cancel, you can do that directly in settings. Your subscription stays active until the end of the billing period. No hidden fees, no hassle. That's everything. Mindgrip is free to start. You get 3 decks on the free plan. Pro gives you unlimited decks, unlimited cards, and all card types including image occlusion. Link in the description. If you found this useful, subscribe. I'll be posting study tips and updates as I keep building. Thanks for watching.